loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics.
Hello, I'm the phonics tree. You guessed today's letter? Say these with me.
What are we learning?
Bone. Phone.
Phone.
Note.
Note.
Home.
Home.
Cone.
Cone.
We're learning the O sound.
Wow, we're learning the O sound.
It's time to read.
Are you ready to read? Hello, I'm a little grizzly bear. Want to read with me? Let's spell with the O sound. B-O-N. Bone. N-O-T. Note. Home. Home. K-O-N. Cone. Wow, you spelled with the O sound.
It's time to write.
Hi everyone! Get those pencils ready. It's time to write. Welcome to the Writing Centre. Trace with your magic writing finger. Or pause and write the words with your pencil.
O. Home. B-O. Bone. O. Hope. A. O. Own. Alone. Magic E turns O to O.
Well done writing in the Writing Centre.
Time to find.
Step into the deep dark wood. See what sounds you can find. Which one has today's sound?
Let's find the O pictures. Tube, cane, smoke. Can you hear the O sound? Smoke. Atmosphere, bone, fine. Can you hear the O sound? Bone. Well done finding the O pictures.
It's time to say.
Whee! Trying to keep up. I'm fast.
Magic E turns on to on. Magic E turns not to note. Magic E turns home to home. And magic E turns con to cone.
Hello. I'm very impressed. You've learned the sound very well, haven't you?
Yeah, I know the sounds.
Say these with me.
Cone, comb, note, phone, bone.
Magic E turns R to O.
You're clever.
Wow! You have learned to say the sound, find the sound, read the sound, and sing the sound. With all this practicing, you're going to be an amazing reader. Well done! Be sure to check out more videos to keep practicing those phonics. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.